Today I decided not to move around with a taxi, Uber or Bolt, but I walked around the vibrant city of Kumasi. Kumasi is in the Ashanti region. It is the capital of Ashanti region, and today that was exactly what I was doing. I was just walking around to see the beautiful part of Kumasi, which is not always shown on television or the internet. This is so beautiful. People are crowded, everybody is busy doing something, and it was so beautiful day that I had, and everything that I was seeing was it was so beautiful. So as you see the video, whatever that you are seeing from this video was exactly what I saw and I recorded, and it was such a beautiful. I'm reminding you on this, if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel. Always make sure to press on the notification bell so that whenever that we post a video, you'll be the first person to see the video. So my day started when I wanted to go and do some rounds in Kumasi, the vibrant capital city of Ashanti region, and I decided to show this part of Kumasi, which is very busy. Everybody comes here to buy their own goods and also their services. The things that they would offer people, the things that they would want to buy, was exactly why I went to Kumasi to see and also to capture for my people, cyber family, to see. So I was just walking around taking pictures, making lots of vlogging videos, and it was such a beautiful. And then you see the woman who is in front of me, they are called hair porters. So you give them some money, or you will give them some few dollars, and then they will transport whatever that you have for you. And it was such a beautiful. People were looking at me, hey, this guy, what is he trying to do? But it was a fun, and yeah, like walking around showing all the best part of Kumasi that you could see. All what you see from here, there are things that people are selling and very affordable. If you have few dollars, you can buy for yourself. If you have like $5, or you're having $10, or having $2, you can buy something of sort for yourself. And they were so nice. Like I saw all things, I don't know what to say, like everything that I could think of could be found in this place. And it was such a nice experience. It was extremely such a nice experience that I had, and words cannot explain the feeling and everything that I was seeing. Everything which was happening was so natural. You understand, people are busy buying things, and I'm hoping you guys will come around and also buy some things. You have to come around and book all your tours in Ghana with us. We are going to have a Toro tour this month and next month, and our tours runs throughout the year. As I have been telling you, cyber tours, we organize tours for diasporas and people that they would want to come for tours in Ghana. So if you want to come for your tours in Ghana, just let us know, and then we will have a very thorough itinerary for you, and we will take you through all these beautiful places that you see a lot of people busy carrying out their own project. So this was exactly what we were seeing, exactly what was happening, and oh my goodness, it was so beautiful. Everybody is busy doing something, everybody is clocking up something, everybody is doing something new, something fresh, something very authentic. And let me tell you, I saw something very interesting. I don't know to show you. Okay, so let's go through. If I find it, and then I will just show you something very interesting. It was so beautiful, it was so great. Like everything that I was seeing, I wanted to capture every good moment. So these are the headquarters, those sitting there, and this is a street food that you can eat from, very clean area. And yeah, there are people, you'll be just pushing people will be just be pushing you, and it looks so great, it looks so beautiful. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed to the channel. And yeah, I walked through all the beautiful places, and yes, it was so nice. It was extremely nice experience that I had, and I am hoping that you will come to Ghana and also have this experience. Thank you so much for your time, cyber family, and I'm hoping to see you very soon back to back in Ghana. Bye for now.